In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable game challenges notification on Whatnot. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to enable the game challenges notification, what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for notifications and tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the notification settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for buyer notifications, at second you'll be able to find this option for challenges. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find this option for game challenges. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to enable the game challenges notification. You'll be able to find this option for push notification. What you have to do is simply toggle on this button. Now you'll be able to receive the updates about the game related challenges. So that is how you enable game challenges notification on Whatnot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.